Look at all this water. Nobody's done anything. The condo association has done nothing. Their property manager has done nothing. This is 4307, unit 102. Look at all this. It's dripped into our elevator and has caused major damage, and God knows how much the elevator repairs are going to be. This has been going on since August of last year, and Beach Walk Condo Association has done nothing, and their property management has done nothing. This is the water heater, and this is a safety hazard, and this needs to be fixed. I'm going to be calling code enforcement on Monday. This is unacceptable.